Today I'm going to show you how to add the silicone lubricant to your RTIC Ultra Tough backpack cooler. Alright, so first off, you're going to have to completely unzip the zippers. Okay, once you've unzipped the zippers, I'm going to add the lubricant to the outside of this get lip here. It's helpful if you have a pen to get this little silver tab off of here. Okay. See, I'm making my way around this here. I'm using the cap to spread it. Okay, that's the outside. Now I'm going to lubricate the inside here. Okay, now I'm going to try running it now. And I can say ever since I added the silicone, the zipper slides about dramatically better. Okay, now I got to add it to this pouch here. Now for this one, I'm just going to run it along the zipper itself there. Now you're going to have to spread it sparingly, otherwise you're going to run out, because it is a long zipper. Okay, I'm going to run this. And it's gliding so much better now. And again, top one is gliding so much better. So there you are, the RTIC Ultra Tough Cooler. And again, you want to make sure that you have the silicone lubricant on both the inside and the outsides of the zipper, and it's gonna open and close really smoothly once you do that. And then you can just wipe off the excess silicone lubricant with either a dry rag or a wet paper towel, and you'll be all set for the beach, you'll be all set for your picnic, you'll be all set for your camping trip. And again, you're going to want to do this before you first use the cooler, otherwise it's going to slow your roll.